Hey, I'm Laura and welcome back to our channel. Today I have a really big haul, a grocery haul to show you guys. And it's a mix of Trader Joe's and Aldi. So every week I go, Every week I go and I pick up raw milk. And so while we're out in town, I also go to get groceries when I can. So today I went to Aldi and Trader Joe's, and so I have this big haul to show you guys. And so I will start with over here with my Trader Joe's items. So first I'm going to start with some frozen items. My husband requests that I get this for him. It is not gluten-free. We do eat gluten-free, but he really likes this because it's organic, and he eats that for lunches. He'll just like cook one up and make that. Every time I go, I get at least one bag of tenderloin. Today they had a sample of the pulled pork, but I got the pulled chicken. It was really good, and they put this coleslaw on top of it. My kids love coleslaw. Normally I make my own dressing, but this will just make an easy dinner one night. So they put this on top with these chips as a side, and the kids loved it. So one night I'm gonna have to do that. So anyway, moving on. I always get a box of the jasmine rice, really good. Always get this bread. This is our favorite bread. If we're not at Costco, I get this bread. I got 6 of the organic celery hearts. I juice one of these every day, and so this will last us for about a week. This is sugar snap peas. My kids will eat these like candy, as well as carrots. I give my kids free reign pretty much when it comes to vegetables. So I say, you can have as many carrots as you want. If you're hungry, go get carrots. Go get a good vegetable to chew on. And so sometimes we'll take out a bag and eat a whole bag in one sitting. So then we also get these. These are my favorite carrots from Trader Joe's. My kids eat these whole, or we'll juice those in the morning. I got 1 pack of the romaine hearts just for salads. I already talked about these, but this is their new organic coleslaw kit, and it comes with dressing, and I'm really excited about that. It'll make things easy. I'm sorry, but I have a chicken squawking at me outside the door. I don't know why. We love their baked beans. Really good. I also always get this vegetarian chili. I put it on top of a lot of things. My kids eat it for lunch. It's, literally you just open and give it to them, and they're happy with it. Top it with some cheese. I'm trying this out this time. This is just a jalapeno sauce that we can use for like taco night or something. These are their new, I think they're called elote corn chips. So they normally have the regular corn chips, but these are the Mexican style street corn flavored. So good. I don't know how they made them that good, but the seasoning on them is perfection. So we got 3 of those this time. As always, I love their taco shells. I love that it's made with organic corn, because that's really hard to find. And my kids talked me into this. What can I say? I'm sure they're delicious. I love anchovies. I'm not sure why, but when I was pregnant with the twins, I ate 1 of these every day. It's crazy. I'm not sure why, but so yeah, I still love them. I put them on my pizza. Then we got the ridge cut potato chips. We got these baked cheese corn things. Like I showed you with these are the barbecue popped chips, and we're gonna have those with the pulled chicken. And then I think that's it for Trader Joe's. So yeah, that was it for my Trader Joe's haul. And then wanted to include these because I just got these in today. This is from, I don't know if it's pronounced Kos or Kos, but I order these every month. This is just barley grass powder and spirulina. I put a scoop in our smoothies and also the kids. I also make paleo mint chocolate chip ice cream that the kids love, and I put a scoop of the spirulina in there, and it makes it green. It makes it look like real mint chocolate chip. Okay, so moving on. This is this side of the table is Aldi. So every time I go to Aldi, I get their gluten-free pretzels, by far my favorite gluten-free pretzels, and they are cheap and the flavor is just so good. They taste basically like normal chips or normal pretzels. Then we found that they had lime plantain chips and original, so we got some of those. We eat so many plantain chips in our family, so I normally get them from Trader Joe's. But decided to try them from Aldi this time. We got 3 of their granolas. So these are all different kinds. Raisin almond honey, apple almond honey, and cranberry cashew honey. The best granola ever. I mean, seriously, it's so good. Which probably means it's not good for you, but we'll have it for like dessert sometimes. Speaking of dessert, this is a dessert hummus that I found, and it is so good. It tastes like, literally just tastes like brownies. It's delicious. These rosemary crackers are really good. Got 2 packs of the 7 grains and then 2 packs of the quinoa and brown rice. I'll just use these as like a side with one of our meals. I've never gotten these before. Thought I would try them. My 4-year-old is still not fully potty trained at night, so we're gonna try those out. Got a bunch of bananas, got some lemons, got some apples. We always get the organic Pink Lady apples. This is just a portion of the baby food that we got. The thing I love about Aldi baby food is it's 79 cents, which is like unheard of for organic. And so I just stock up. I just get tons of them. This is another bag almost full of baby food. So I stock up so that I'm not having to go all the time. But we use 6 a day, I guess, since we have babies. I try making my own when I can, but as you can imagine, that's a lot of work for 2 babies. So this really helps me when we go out and about and stuff. I got these freeze-dried mangoes for the babies. These are kind of like melt in your mouth and really easy for them to eat as a snack. These were on sale for $1 a piece. They're called chopped and cooked veggies for your eggs. And I just know Will loves eggs, so it's just super simple ingredients. And he can just put a scoop of that in each of his eggs. So this one's rancheros, and this one's called Farmer's Basket. So that'll be kind of a fun thing to try. We always get these Aldi fruit snacks. They're organic. They're, let me see. They have natural dyes. We don't do regular food dyes because they're just so bad for you. So the kids have these. They have 1 a day for if they do have a good quiet time. And then just some bags, some zip bags. 2 bags of avocados. My kids love avocados, and I also we top our tacos with them, or this is what I make the paleo ice cream out of with bananas. And then just randomly got one of these because I've been doing a lot of gardening. The kids are gonna garden with me, and my knees were hurting, so there you have it. Love this chopped kale we put dressing on it to eat, or we juice it in the mornings and really like it. Here's some oranges that we juice with. I got 3 things of, I really only buy the tissues with lotion because otherwise my kids just like blow their noses raw if they have allergies. So got 3 of those and 3 of these organic hot dogs. I love that Aldi sells these. They're so cheap. I think they're literally $3.99. Whereas at Trader Joe's even, I think they're $5.99. So this is the best price I've seen. They're non-GMO, made with organic 100% grass-fed, no antibiotics, no hormones, no GMO ingredients. It's just really good stuff. So I got 3 of those. We just recently got an extra garage refrigerator because our refrigerator is counter depth and we just couldn't hold the stuff that we need to hold. So we just got one that, we could put all of our extra things in. And then I really like their organic salted butter. It's really good stuff. And then last, if you guys haven't seen, Aldi is just the best in every way, but if you haven't seen their card selection. So anytime there's a holiday, we got some for Easter, we got some for birthdays, Christmas. They have 99-cent cards, but they're not just regular. Like Trader Joe's has 99-cent cards, which I love. But all these cards are like, they'll have all these details to them, or like pop out things and stuff. Just in normal stores, they'd be like $6. So these ones pop out into a box basically, and they have flowers. It looks like a box of flowers when you open it. And these were $1.99. They were more expensive than the other ones, but these were just so beautiful. I had to get them for Mother's Day for my mother and my mother-in-law. So that is about it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. I also really, really want to hear your favorite Trader Joe's products, because we all know we have our favorites, and I love to try new things. There's just so many awesome products. And also your favorite Aldi products. I know Aldi kind of goes back and forth with their products, and sometimes you see things, sometimes you don't. So, but I want to hear what you found recently that you really like. Like, I'm just loving their gardening section. Oh, I forgot to show you these. They had these gloves, a 2-pack. So this, my kids already took them apart, but there were 2 packs of gloves for $2.99 for gardening. And then this huge, like really high quality, it's the heaviest one I've ever had, for $2. And then this was like $2, I think. I mean, their stuff is just, it's really good and high quality, which I appreciate. Forgot to mention, every time I go to Aldi, I get one of these packs of paper plates. We use paper plates for lunches and sometimes dinners if we're in a hurry, but these were on sale for $2 a piece, so I thought that was a great price. I got 2 packs of those. So yeah, I think that is it. Leave me a comment, and also tell me what kind of haul you want me to do next. I'm up for doing, I mean, I go to lots of places all the time with kids, obviously. So we are at Hobby Lobby, we are at Marshall's, we're all around getting different things. Old Navy, Dollar Tree. So if you want to see any hauls or anything that we normally get, let me know your favorite stores and I can try and do a video on that. But for now, this is just my grocery haul. So let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys soon, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can be notified of my videos, and like this video. All right, bye.